A lot of you have been asking me if makeup goes bad. Should I throw away old makeup? Well, I got a few answers for you, so keep watching and find out, does makeup go bad? Yes, makeup goes bad. Not only does makeup go bad, most makeup is bad. It has all these petrochemicals in it and all these metals and all these additives and chemicals that are not fit for human consumption. We want our products to be as chem-free as possible and organic. I just worked with Zoe from The Tipsy Psychic, and I'll put her information here so you can subscribe to her channel. She's a young woman. She just moved to New York City. She doesn't have a lot of money. She was like, Kiki, I don't know how you can tell everyone to do organic. Organic is so expensive. I just buy makeup at the 99-cent store. I said, I totally understand. Makeup is fun. Makeup is creative. But our skin is so important, and what we put on it and how what we put on it impacts the world around us. It's really good. You could just get some organic coconut oil and that's it, and just use a little bit of makeup, and maybe, you know, when you want a special look or something. So I saw her a couple weeks later and she said, oh my God, Kiki, thank you so much. I did what you said and I'm wearing much less makeup and my skin looks great. And actually, her skin looks amazing. Now, this other question, does makeup go bad? Yeah, makeup goes bad for a few reasons. Are you like licking your makeup brushes? Then those bacteria are going into the makeup. Funk is growing there, and that's bad. If you're licking and you know, you're kind of like going back and forth, this is going to make these makeups go bad. Now they're little festering bacteria pots. So yeah, you should throw that makeup out. That makeup could be giving you acne and causing various skin problems and clogged pores and everything like that. I would really encourage you to try to be a minimalist beauty. I know that all these colors and everything are inspirational and fun, but invest in yourself and invest in the long-term beauty and safety and security of your beauty, your appearance, and your health. And just start to invest in 1 or 2 or 3 organic products and really take a minimalist approach to your beauty and your well-being and apply those. I think that you'll feel, you know, very good about yourself. We live in this disposable culture, and I feel that it demeans me when I participate in treating things as though they're disposable. It demeans the people that created these things. There's people working, you know, in factories, being paid very little amounts of money for these products that we just throw away, or we buy so cheap it appears they have no value. Value yourself and value your appearance and how you show up in the world, and in showing that respect for yourself, you'll also be showing respect to the world around you. Keep your beauty products fresh, stay smart, subscribe to this channel. Help me get 100,000 subscribers, please. So glad you're here, so glad you're part of this Kiki community.